hello my beautiful crafting friends, welcome back to my channel. So thank you ever so much for your comments and likes on my previous video of the precious gift junk journal. Much appreciated, thank you. And thank you for the comments as well. It's lovely to hear from you all. So I have these coming up in my Etsy shop. Now, if anybody knows me and check out some previous videos, I do, well, I have done a lot of slow stitch junk journal covers with different themes. I've done the one with the Hobbit house on there. I've done Mother Earth. What else have I done? Oh, I've done the big gardens in New York. I can't think what they're called. The big gardens, really beautiful gardens that you walk through. I'm sure one of you will know and you can tell me. I've just, you know, I've got one of those memories today that is really rubbish. So anyway, I've done, as you can see, I've done loads. Please check out my previous flip throughs of those and you'll see what I mean. And I've created this kit because I enjoyed doing it. And I started out after watching Rachel from Roxy's Creations. She inspired me and I got addicted to using up spare bits of fabric and some silks and beads and buttons and creating pieces. So I've done this. In this kit there's lots and lots of goodies. So I've made an envelope. There's going to be 6 kits at the moment up and ready, and I've used different doilies just to make an envelope so it all keeps it together. So in this little envelope you get your cotton to do your whip stitch. Excuse me. Oh, I had a dry bit then. So you have some cotton to do your whip stitching. I'll have to go and get a drink in a sec. Loads of buttons and beads going on in there. And then in this little kit, I will unseal it, so I can always seal it back up. In this little kit, you have, now these are brand new silks. Each kit will have different colour tone silks. And then, so they're brand new. I'll just put them on there so they're easier than those tiny little things that you can get. And then what I've done is I've done a sampler one there. So you can either buy some more card and cut out some more using that as your template, and also that you've got one to add some more silks to. We've got a pretty bit of ribbon, which is obviously springtime, so we've got to celebrate a bit of spring, like so. And then here we have 10 pieces of different trims. Mostly 90% of them are crochet trims. So you have a beautiful white one, and then this vintage piece that I found that obviously I've shared out which is hard, you know. This, which is great because you can cut the squares up and use them in different pieces. So nice big pieces going on. Some wedding dress trim and those there. So that's all the goodies you get in here. Let me just put that on back in there a minute. Keep it all together. And there's a bit there I've just spotted underneath. You come here. Thank you very much. So there's a nice little bag full of goodies going on there. So we'll, oh, wrong way. Sticky that side. No, sticky is that side. No, sticky is that side. Can't see because I've got my light on. and in there, like so. So lots of little goodies going on in there. And then in this piece here, we have some tie going on there. And then we have a big bundle of fabric, which we'll go through in a second. We have 2 pieces of iron-on interfacing, and it's got the iron-on piece on that side, the glue, and then this side you can do your drawing. So if you want to cut out birds, butterflies, flowers, petals, leaves, you name it, or circles, squares, triangles, you can draw on this and then cut that design out and then iron it onto a bit of fabric. So you get 2 good sized pieces there. And then in these are 6 sheets of calico. So it is sewn in the middle. Let me get to the middle. So it's sewn up through the middle to create this sampler book. So you get a total 12 pages. Obviously it would be more than that, but you don't sew on that side. So great for if you want to do a plate, a fabric plate to go on the front of your junk journal, or you want to frame it, do different designs. I mean, you can do all the seasons, yeah, spring, summer, autumn and winter design, and have them all in frames which you've handcrafted yourself. And then also you get some fabric, a great big choice of fabric. You get a little doily, and then in here we have, each one will get a different designed one. So we've got pansies in this one. And the fabric choices are polycotton, cotton, woven and upholstery. So a huge choice of fabric going on. So I'll turn that one that way. So a great big variety. And apologies if you can hear Duke in the background. He's been a bit of a rascal. He's actually scratched his ear and made it bleed. So he's wearing the cone of doom. And Daisy, for being a big dog, she hates the cone of doom. So they've had to be separated. So it's like, let me get a quick short video done, and then tonight I'll do one with the junk journal when my husband's home and he can control the 2 reprobates. So you got 2 muslins, and you got that one there, which is cream, and then a white one. Some of this, which is really nice upholstery. Some beautiful, beautiful fabrics going on there. So I've done a huge range of colour choice. So you have many, many options. Some more of that woven stuff, which is lovely. And then we've got these pieces coming on here. We've got different colour tones. So great to create a scenery with a field. You could do a field with lavender. Then we have this one. These are the bigger pieces. I absolutely love this fabric. Absolutely love it. Especially that. So more of this upholstery. A bit, look, you even get a little bit of Laura Ashley. And then some muslin, which has got printing on, and there's a bit of fabric there with a butterfly on. So a huge range of fabric choices. I will snip that little bit off because that is really, really, oh, it's come off, really bugging me. So the first 6, I've got 6 coming up in the shop. The first 4 that are sold will also get a couple more fabric samples. Because I've just had some more fabrics arrive, and then there is a pair of scissors that you get. So you'll either get that one with your kit or that one. So I've only got 4 of them that came in because I wanted to do a test run to see how that goes. So that is the whole kit that you get. It's slow stitch sampler. And if nobody knows what slow stitching is, it is this sort of thing. So I've got these ones going on. These will hang up on the wall at the end. And then I've got this one, which is of a bumblebee. So I have loads and loads of projects going on, don't worry. My brain never rests. And then I've got this one, which is Find Your Path. And it's in a cottage garden. I've done like some pathways going on there. And I'm just building it up slowly. But as you can see, I've got little root vegetables slightly raised, as you can see, like that. So I've got my beetroot, my carrots, I've got my cauliflower, my lettuce going on there, and then I've just got some onions starting to shoot up through. So that's what slow stitching is. It's a little bit of fun and relaxing thing to do in the evening, using up scraps of fabric. So thank you ever so much for watching. I should get this all on by the end of this weekend. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I will be starting up the Woodland Journal with you guys. So thank you ever so much for watching. I'm waffling off now. Waffling on. I hope you have a fantastic day and happy crafting, everybody. Take care. Bye.